issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cleburne County and north central Arkansas, southeastern Conway County and central Arkansas, Faulkner County and central Arkansas, northeastern Perry County and central Arkansas, northwestern Pulaski County and central Arkansas, southeastern Van Buren County and north central Arkansas, west central White County and central Arkansas, until 8 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Toadsuck, or 5 miles west of Conway, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Greers Ferry Lake, Conway, Wooster, Woolly Hollow State Park, Valonia, Twin Groves, Toadsuck, Sugar Loaf Recreation Area, Spring Hill, Rosebud, Quitman, Pickles Gap, Mount Vernon, Menifee, Mayflower, Mallet Townsend, Little Italy, Lake Conway. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 114 and 135. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ 55 in Little Rock, originating from the National Weather Service.